Wow. Room of Dumbledore and his ages. Young guy, I've seen that. Why?
Yeah.
Older,
Oldest.
oldest. Albus Dumbledore. Look at that. Harry Potter Land Tokyo, huh? Dumbledore's props cabinet. What, the other side set? Wow. Wow, looks amazing.
There's like a
Somebody's set design is ridiculous. Look at that. Look at the ceiling. We're in the set. Well, somebody recreated it for a very large sum of money. Wow! I feel no heat. Look at all the detail. Artwork. Feels like I'm in a British castle. Not that I've ever been to a British castle.
4 years ago, you saved Julie time to change your secrets for all of this.
Cool.
Then this was Africa.
君が秘密の部屋でジーニーを救った時持ってきたただならぬ魔力が宿っておった強力な闇の魔法じゃ
The Phoenix moves.
really?
Yeah. Look up. There's so many layers. And there's a set up there. Explore Dumbledore's office. Wizarding and the sword that was made with Godric Gryffindor. And the Professor Albus Dumbledore is seen as Harry Potter. The Phoenix. Dumbledore's largest telescope can be seen towards the rear of the office. The memory of cabinet holds vials in Dumbledore. Oh, this giant ball in the back. What is that? Oh, the bird's moving. Stop. Oh, move a little bit. Still moving. All right. Cool. What's over here? Whoa! Stargazing. What is this crazy chess set? Oh, it's memory section.
Yeah.
It's like a giant digital computer. That's part of the whole charm of the movie. Look at that. I want one of those. How much can I buy that for? Dumbledore's memory. Whoa, creepy. Look. I can see Dumbledore there. Creepy?
Really? Whoa.
Yeah, creepy, right?
Whoa.
I don't know why I'm seeing it. I don't know.
I don't see it.
Yeah, ghost. Whatever, man. I'm cool. I'll take a paw. Look at that. Wow. Some white people I don't know.
Wow.
Hey, look at that. I'm yellow people. Cool, let's keep going. Look at that. All these instruments. Is that a sextant? I don't know. Keep going this way. People want to take pictures. Whoa! It's a room of a phoenix. Alright, I gotta check that out. Holy monchees! This is a griffin or a phoenix? The griffin. Ah, it's a griffin. Holy moly! Look at this figure. The muscles on the legs. I'm gonna zoom in. Crazy. Somebody built this. Also sounds expensive. Looks expensive. Wizarding World wands. Oh, we got all the wands. Wand key. Oh, let's take a photo of that. Let's just pause the screenshot. I'm gonna go fast, okay? Somebody can pause if you're interested. Let me zoom in. All right, all the wands. Rod Weasley is number 8. 33 is Yusuf Kama. Who's that? Sirius Black's number 16. Wands are all numbered. Which one is your favorite wand? I would say these will look very different for the ones on sale. Number 20 is very unique looking. And I'm gonna say, yeah, maybe number 1's one of my favorite. That, of course, is Dumbledore's wand. Or the Elder Wand. Right, cool.
On the film was, what does a wand look like?
Whoa, the masks?
We started with a conceptual idea
Huh?
of what makes a wand, and we started by putting together a range
Oh,
of
I want to do
samples
that. That
of wood.
sounds cool for Halloween.
We went out into the forest to find interesting shapes of wood. We brought them to the shop and tweaked them, adding bits and bobs. We began utilising more decorative materials like bone or high-end precious woods. Eventually, we presented these to Jo Rogan. Interestingly, she chose a very simple and straightforward one from all the various styles we had presented to her. One with an MD handle and rosewood tip. In her mind, that was what a wand should look like. With that direction, we started to interpret every character's wand specifically for them, unique to each personality. Some of the actors had specific requests for their characters' wands, which we did the best to accommodate. For Fantastic Beasts, you start to see the Art Nouveau, Art Deco of the 1920s time period inform the design.
That's cool.
Now, it's no longer a simple stick, right? It's a million times better than that.
Cool. All these props are really pretty. I don't know. Yeah, funny shoes. Wow, these shoes caught my eye. Mine are Nike, but they're really weird. Somebody's beautiful dress. Wow. Oh my god. And these look like the evil people. And their wands. Wow. Holy munchies. It's hard to see, I'm sure.
Yes, handlebars for steering, and we had a real bike pedals for steering. It's more cautious.
Beatrix. Lestrange. And Lucius Malfoy. Yeah. They kind of look good together. Make your own Death Eater mask. They look so creepy. The second step is produce silicone molds. This process is called forming. That is so creepy, Death Eater mask. That looks really high quality, actually. Looks really detailed in person. Look at that.
Which you see in the sets of the magical commerce. The Phoenix motif is Egyptian.
Look at this one.
But the costume shape is intentionally
Creepy. That's the only one I can reach. Look at this one. Creepy.